Yep, I do DIY, natural hair, mommy and me, lifestyle content. I do it all. Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. It's Ray Savvy. I'm back with another video to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. We getting real frugal in this video, y'all. I'm talking dollar store frugal. Don't sleep on the dollar store. They have so many great things for just $1 for now. But I'm starting this series on self-love, and we're going to be starting with the cheapest way to pamper yourself in between your facials or after wearing makeup. Here I am just loosening up some of this makeup on my face with some steam. Most of the products I'm going to be showing are from the dollar store, but I'm sticking with my daily cleanser to start off. I'll put the link in the bio, but it is Yes to Tomato brand, 99% natural products. That's why I love it, and that's why I'm able to use it daily. But with this silicone tip, I only use it once a week, so keep that in mind. Okay, so this is the first Dollar Tree product here. It is their charcoal sponge slash soap. It's 2-in-1. Honestly, I haven't really reached for it. I try to go easy on the exfoliation side, but it's nice to know that it is charcoal. So it did really well with the second cleanse. And now I'm going to add some moisture to my face with this eye and lip mask they have. I think you leave it on for about 30 minutes or so just to add moisture to those designated areas. So after I'm done with my 30 minutes, I go ahead and try to work some of that moisture in with my fingers like so. And then I'm going to do a hydrating charcoal mask that they have. They have so many charcoal products, so that was nice. It's kind of like the theme of this facial here. Not all dollar stores are created equal, so as I'm using these products and finding out which ones I like and don't like, I'm discovering more Dollar Tree products, and I think I'm gonna have to give y'all another facial because this one was fun and relaxing. So don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. This is how it goes ahead and dries down, and then I wash that off. Feeling real clean indeed. And this is one of my staple, like if I see these at the dollar store, I'm buying the whole the whole section of them. Is their Neville's blackhead strips or whatever. They're very comparable to some name brand ones. Bior, like I bought those before for $5. These are $1 for a 2-pack, and I think the Bior ones was like $5 for, I don't know how many you got, but these are very comparable to those. They definitely get the job done. They are painful. They remove those blackheads. Yeah. Comparable to some other brands. And finally, I'm just going to go ahead and try to add some moisture back to my face with this retinol serum. Now, I haven't really found a serum that I like in general. That's just all the way around, so I'm kind of like picky when it comes to serums. So this wasn't really one that I reached for or am going to be continuing to use, just being honest. But like I said before, not all dollar stores are created equal. I will be doing this again for you all on this series. I have some great stuff planned for y'all, so thank you so much for watching. As always, I pray you all continue to walk in and live your blessed lives. And as always, be